Okay, this is my Windows application that I made. It is called GG Shop, where I sell items like pang top up for online games whatsoever. So this is the main um home pay, or what do you call that? And this is sign in. So if I like, let's say I didn't type anything in this blank space over here, it will say please fill up the field first. Okay, let's say I will put my Ines 234 yeah, that's okay, and then create an account. This is are all this are all the available items that my shop sell, and one of them is Valorant, Roblox, Mobile Legends, and Genshin Impact. So if I go to Valorant, this is the Valo points that I sell, and if I check that all, it will say purchase successful. Thank you for your order. If I didn't check one of these, it will say you haven't purchased anything. So if I go back and go to Roblox, the same. Yeah, like that. You haven't purchased anything. It's also the same with Mobile Legends, with Starlight, and all the diamonds, and Genshin Impact for Genshin Crystals. And yeah, that's all for my Windows application.